Setting off our fancy rockets here. No, I'm not. I'm horizontally challenged. Thank you very much. Anyways, so there's some analog rockets over there.
Helicopter. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's better. No, it didn't do it. Oh. No. Almost. I don't have a streamer.
Oh, Houston, we have a problem.
Is that a problem?
That's a leaf over there.
Do I care that? Okay, we're live.
Okay.
Puma A340. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, much better. Yes.
I wanted to point out for this phone, this camera is
Take this streamer out.
so instead of looking at people's clothes to see how fast the wind is going, we bought a window meter. Very high tech. Got on sale for 97 cents. So now we can say the wind is going that fast.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nope, I think the wadding's out. Going. C63 engine. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So the simulations say that it's going to go into the wind and then come back towards us. Into the wind. Right back towards us. Science! Indeed, ladies and gentlemen, we have achieved science. That is what science looks like. Smells of science, too. Burnt science. Super crispy. Like toast.
The wadding is over by the dad.
Fancy.